Welcome back to my channel. This is either my first video or another video. I'm not really sure how I'm doing this, but if you're watching, welcome. So I ordered a camera filter from Moment. It's the CineBloom Diffusion, and I got it at 20% opposed to the 10 or 5%, just because why not, you know, go all in. So the first test that I'm going to do with this filter is right here. I'm just gonna put it in front of the lens. With the filter, without the filter. With the filter, no filter. Half a filter, other half of the filter. From what I can see in my frame is that it's very dreamy. I'm really into this right now. So I'm excited to take it out into the real world and see what this filter and lens has to offer. So I'm really pleased with these images after the first use. I still need to test out the filter during daylight, but regardless, I think I'm gonna have a good practical use for this filter. I won't lie, I thought it was going to give me like an immediate film look kind of simulation. It's close, but it's just not quite there. I think just a little more time color grading and maybe composing shots as well will help kind of get that vibe. The filter definitely helps soften the digital image, and with the softer digital image it will definitely help me get that film vibe later in post-processing. But yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hey, so fast forward a couple weeks, here's a small sequence that I shot using the filter. So keeping in mind location, camera settings, and post-production, the filter really adds to this dreamy, vintagey kind of look. So put all that kind of stuff together and you'll get something like this.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind.
Don't use that thumbs up, Nate. That was not. I guess if I'm going to have first thoughts about the filter, I should put the filter back on, right? Ooh, that's a nice case.